Hello everyone, this is IB Math with Mr. Adil. Today we are diving into equality of surds, a key concept that will make your algebra much easier once you will master it. First of all, I would like to pay attention how it works. So we are equating two expressions containing surds. If we have special conditions where we have a plus bn is equal to p plus q square root n, then we can deduce, we can say that a is equal to p and b is equal to q. b is equal to q. So here make sure that we have the same roots in the left hand side, in the right hand side. Okay, and yeah, just short note that a, b, p and q are rational numbers. Let's see how it works in the current example. So the next one, the simple example, it's given that a minus 5 square root 3 is equal to 7 plus b square root 3. Okay, as we noticed before, so you can also look at the picture on the right side, we can say that a is equal to 7 and negative 5 is equal to b. So how it should be written? First of all, we are just rearranging and writing in this way. Now we are just equating corresponding terms. So a is equal to 7 and b is equal to negative 5. So negative 5 is equal to b. Let me show by color. Yeah. And it is actually finished. So our answer is a is equal to 7 and b is equal to negative 5. Okay, let's turn to the next question, question number 2. So here we have to equate also two sides and find a and b. Okay, so if we're going to find a and b, we have to simplify the right hand side, and left hand side, let's write it in next form, minus a plus square root 5, and on the right side we're just opening the brackets, 4 plus 8b square root 5. And again you see that we have both sides are equal, and then it means that in this case negative a is equal to 4 and 1, this is 1, yeah? So just make sure that you are clear that it is 1. If no coefficient, it means that it is 1. So 1 is equal to 8b. So this is second equality. Okay, and now we can say that a is negative 4 and 8b is equal to 1 and b is equal to 1 over 8. Okay, done. So this is our answer. Okay, and question number 3. There are two ways how we can solve it. So here we have both sides are equal again, but on the right side we don't have any square root. What to do? Or even in the left hand side we see the brackets and the square roots. So generally this writing looks a bit challenging, yeah? So it looks like there are something difficult, but it is not if we will just consider it separately. There are two ways of solve, okay? Again, two ways. So I'm going to show the first way first. First way. Okay, so what we're going to do. So let's open the brackets. It's actually natural thing. So 2 square root 2h minus 6 equals to k. Okay, what to do next? So maybe one of the root we will turn to the right side. Let's say that this we will turn to the right side. Okay, so 7 square root 2 minus 6 is equal to k plus 2 square root 2h. Okay, now let's rearrange. Let's change the order. So negative 6 plus 7 square root 2 is equal to k plus 2h square root 2. Okay, why I wrote 2h? Because it's coefficient of square root. Now you see, now everything is ready. Everything is ready to equate. So k is equal to negative 6 straightforward, and 2h is equal to 7. So then h is equal to 3.5. So this is our answers. This is the first way. Another way, maybe someone will prefer to use another way. Let's see. So here, in this case, let's straightforward first rearrange the left hand side. So negative 6 plus 7 minus 2h square root 2. And let's write the right side as k plus 0 times square root 7 minus 2h. Okay, how it is come from? Just because 0 could be multiplied by any number, and I used the same square root as sorry, it's not square root, it is square root of 2, square root of 2. Now it's clear. Okay, so now you see that we can equate these coefficients. So 0 again could be multiplied by any number. Okay, so we are equating. So 7 minus 2h is equal to 0. And another pair is negative 6 is equal to k. So our k is equal to negative 6. And solving this equation, we will get the same answer as in method 1. Okay, so again, h is equal to 3.5 and k is equal to negative 6. So you see that we have the same answers for both cases. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Subscribe, press like, and share with others. Goodbye.